Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cheapskate Garage. Today I'm a contortionist and I'm flipping my body inside out, upside down, pulling apart a dash trying to find a vacuum leak. So we'll get you in here one moment. So we got 83 screws. They're all up under here. Yep. Got to get this apart because behind here is a vacuum switch. Actually, it's right down in here. I don't know. But when I raise this up and down, that rotates. And behind there is a bunch of vacuum ports. Now, in order to get to them, I got to take off the whole dash. And we're doing that piece by piece. Well, I've always found it easier to hang upside down like this with your legs up over the back seat to get all these bolts loosened up. I got my favorite wrench, my Harbor Freight quarter drive. I'd like to take a minute and give a half peace sign salute to the engineer that invented the long-winded bolt. Thank you very much. We all love you. Oh, that one's even more long-winded there. Come on. Maybe it'll come out tomorrow. Oh, can I get my fingers on it? No, my fingers don't bend that way. So I got access back under here. I got this panel down. Look, I found more money. Well, this truck's paying for itself. So after working on this thing for 2 hours now, I've come to the conclusion that there's one vacuum line that has to be the issue. And where it's at, I don't know. Because none of my controls will work. It's stuck on defrost. Well, the good news is I figured out how the gauge cluster comes out. So I think take that out, pop it up out of the way. We can get down into the vacuum lines better-ish. And the bad news is, though, now the sun's in my eyes and I can't see a damn thing what I'm doing. Oh well. Hey, you win some, you lose some. So I gotta ram my... Now, where did the flashlight? There it is. Oh, it's way up in there. Extendo Wrench 4000 here. Is that? It looked like a 10. That's a 12. I'm going to go find the 10 millimeter. I'll be right back. So after looking for 20 minutes for my 10 millimeter, it was on another socket. Now I can't see around the switch. I don't want to take this whole part. Oh, that's how that cable works. That's fixing to break. I'm going to have to disconnect this switch as far as I can. Fantastic. Well, these clips right here, they're only meant to go on once and one time only. If you have a good way to get those off so they're reusable, put it in the comments below. Got the right tool here. Or out of all the tools in my arsenal, that's the best one that I got to get that metal retainer off. The hard part about it is it's metal on plastic. Why? GM really hates a guy right now. This isn't fair. Oh. No. Leatherman. True story, I used to laugh at guys that carried Leathermans all around. Let them every time, everywhere they went. Well, now I am one of those guys. Oh my gosh. Success. Now let's put that where we can lose it. Down there. This wire's gonna come off. Maybe once I get that off. Nope, didn't make a difference. Oh, it's connected in here still. Got the top connector off. Well, let's just start from top to bottom, or whatever makes sense firstest. Why do they have to be so small? That's 7? Can't be. 7's on the wrench. Well, they're quarters. And I just had one. 1 second. So what I can really take away from this is 87 was the year that emissions were up. And they just cramped everything they possibly could into these cars. There's probably somebody out there laughing at me right now because they know how to take this apart. Oh, what's this do? Do I? Oh, it's clipped. Oh, there we go. Okay. 2 of 9 things removed. But how am I? Well, they're not being very nice. Look out, sharp objects. One thing I know is if I didn't get it out, I at least dulled my knife. Okay, so it goes like that. Just take it apart in the off position. Yep, it's just that the cable on the other side over here, it's still hooked up. Oh. I don't feel any clip holding it in. Well, what's so special about this one? Oh. Oh. Well, that's progress right there in and of itself. I wonder what the GM garage would do if I took this in to them and said, put it all back together. There's no doubt they would laugh. Get out of there. There's literally nothing holding that in. Well, maybe there was something holding that in. Whoops. You guys didn't see that.